What's up, guys? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And this one I want to talk about a very, very big test that's coming to the markets and some very, very important levels to watch for. Just know that I am not a financial planner, so take nothing I say as financial advice. And also, if you guys can, please check out my Moomoo link. If you deposit $100, you're guaranteed 5 free stocks. If you deposit $1,000, you're guaranteed 15. And the offer ends in just a couple of weeks. Anyways, today's Friday, the 13th of December. There's not really any data that's coming out that's too significant. It's all very, very minor. Some news that has come out is the fact that the market has dipped a bit, but the Nasdaq is trying to break past all-time highs again, whereas the S&P 500 is trying to bounce. So that's what's happening so far after hitting our support targets. We had Trump ring the opening bell of the New York Stock Exchange yesterday, but besides that, I didn't see anything else that's too crazy. Costco had their earnings. Everything was very mixed, and besides that, there's nothing else that's too insane. The last thing is this. SPY has a 597 max pain as of right now with a 1.43 put to call ratio. The question is, can we get this big bounce or not? We love to get bought back up between the 603s and 602s, and we tend to reject off the 608s to 609s. Okay. SPY is attempting to rebound. I want to see it try to get back above 608 by Monday to turn back to bullish if we could try to break all-time highs here. Otherwise, we are technically range bound, right? Going back and forth and back and forth. So there could be an attempt to get close to 608, but if we can't break that, we could be coming back down to 605. If we do break past 608, we could be looking for new all-time highs. Otherwise, we're just in a range where, when we push to 608, we have tough resistance, we come back down. Then we hit 603 and we get bought back up. This is our range for now on SPY. But I want to see it break 608 to remain a lot more bullish, and I think there is potential for that. For others out there, such as ES, same thing, up, down, up, down. I would like to see this try to get close to about 6100 and break it to remain bullish. Otherwise, it's at risk of kind of like pushing to close to 6100 and rejecting. So I want to see a break of 6100 to remain bullish. This might attempt to get close to that, and we'll have to see how it reacts. So look for a push, and then we'll have to see what the reaction is from there. For others, we have Tesla. Tesla is attempting to hold support, so I think it's doing a fantastic job. As long as it does not lose 420, this could attempt to bounce. Look at 420 and 414 as our supports. If that fails, let's look for 406. If we break past 430, we're looking for new all-time highs. I think that as of right now, we have a nice uptrend on Tesla, and this could attempt to get back up towards that 430 resistance. Whether we break it or not depends on different factors. This is our range to watch for between 414 and 430. This might attempt to push upon open, and we'll have to see if we could break 430 or not. Otherwise, we're just going to be in this range. NQ is looking more bullish. As long as you don't lose 21,800 and 21,500, this could attempt to push higher. And we could be on our way for about 21,900 or above. So I see some more upside potential in this. For the QQQ, we're trying to break out right here. As long as we don't lose 530 and 526, this is going to attempt to uptrend and break to new all-time highs. Apple's looking more bullish as well. As long as you don't lose 246, we could continue to pump. So this could be on its way to pump to about 250. But I see a range between 246 and 250. The IWM is on a bit of a downtrend. We have to try to reclaim this channel. So we'll see if we could do that or not. For coin, we have to try to get back above 320. As long as we don't lose 312, we have potential. Amazon might retest 226, and we'll have to see if we bounce off that or not. So watch that very closely. 226. Meta could retest 623 to 625, and we'll have to see if it bounces off that or not. If it doesn't, it could be on its way down to about 620. If it does, it could try to rebound. Microsoft could try to bounce off 446, so we'll see if that ends up being the case or not to get back up to the 450 area. And for Google, we'll see if we bounce off 192 or not. But anyways, that is it for my video. I have to make this one a little bit short. Thank you for listening. I'll see you guys very soon on the next one, and peace out.